अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम 11th क्लास की केमिस्ट्री में MCQs करेंगे। इस वीडियो में शामिल तमाम MCQs एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें ताकि नई वीडियोज़ के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको फौरी मिल सकें। बहुत शुक्रिया। Many elements have fractional atomic masses. This is because the mass of the atom is itself fractional. Atomic masses are average masses of isobars. Atomic masses are average masses of isotopes. Atomic masses are average masses of isotopes proportional to their relative abundance. Correct option is D. Atomic masses are average masses of isotopes proportional to their relative abundance. 27 grams of aluminum will react completely with how much mass of O2 to produce Al2O3, aluminum oxide. 8 gram of oxygen, 16 gram of oxygen, 32 gram of oxygen, 24 grams of oxygen. Correct option is D. 24 grams of oxygen. A limiting reactant is the one which is taken in lesser quantity in grams as compared to other reactants. Is taken in lesser quantity in volume as compared to other reactants. Gives the maximum amount of the product which is required. Gives the minimum amount of the product under consideration. Correct option D. Gives the minimum amount of the production under consideration. Solvent extraction is an equilibrium process and it is controlled by law of mass action, the amount of solvent used, distribution law, the amount of solute. Correct option is distribution law. Solvent extraction method is a particularly useful technique for separation when the product to be separated is non-volatile or thermally unstable. Non-volatile or thermally stable. Volatile or thermally unstable. Volatile or thermally stable. Correct option is C. Volatile or thermally unstable. The comparative rates at which the solutes move in paper chromatography depend on the size of paper, RF values of solutes, temperature of the experiment, size of the chromatographic tank used. Correct option is B. RF values of solutes. RF is equal to retention factor. The molar volume of CO2 is maximum at STP, standard temperature and pressure, 127 degrees Celsius and 1 atom, 0 degrees Celsius and 2 atom, 273 degrees Celsius and 2 atom. Correct option is B. 127 degrees Celsius and 1 atom. How should the conditions be changed to prevent the volume of a given gas from expanding when its mass is increased? Temperature is lowered and pressure is increased. Temperature is increased and pressure is lowered. Temperature and pressure both are lowered. Temperature and pressure both are increased. Correct option is A. Temperature is lowered and pressure is increased. If absolute temperature of a gas is doubled and the pressure is reduced to 1/2, the volume of the gas will remain unchanged, increase 4 times, reduce to 1/4, be doubled. Correct option is B. Increase 4 times. Pressure remaining constant, at which temperature the volume of a gas will become twice of what it is at 0 degrees Celsius. 546 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius, 546 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin. Correct option is C, 546 Kelvin. Number of molecules in 1 cubic decimeter of water is close to 6.02 over 22.4 into 10 power 23, 12.04 over 22.4 into 10 power 23, 18 over 22.4 into 10 power 23, 55.6 into 6.02 into 10 power 23. Correct option is D, 55.6 into 6.02 into 10 power 23. Which of the following will have the same number of molecules at STP, standard temperature and pressure? 280 cubic centimeter of CO2 and 280 cubic centimeter of N2O, nitrous oxide. 11.2 cubic decimeter of oxygen and 32 grams of oxygen. 44 grams of carbon dioxide and 11.2 cubic decimeter of carbon monoxide. 28 grams of N2 and 5.6 cubic decimeter of oxygen. Correct option is A, 280 cubic centimeter of carbon dioxide and 280 cubic centimeter of nitrous oxide. Equal masses of methane and oxygen are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees Celsius. The fraction of total pressure exerted by oxygen is 1 over 3, 8 over 9, 1 over 9, 16 over 17. Correct option is A, 1 over 3. The order of the rate of diffusion of gases NH3, SO2, Cl2 and CO2 is: the rate of diffusion of NH3 is greater than SO2, than Cl2, than CO2. The rate of diffusion of NH3 is greater than CO2, than SO2, than Cl2. The rate of diffusion of Cl2 is greater than SO2, than CO2, than NH3. The rate of diffusion of NH3 is greater than CO2, than Cl2, than SO2. Correct option is B. The rate of diffusion of NH3 is greater than CO2. The rate of diffusion of CO2 is greater than SO2. And the rate of diffusion of SO2 is greater than Cl2. This is the exact rate of diffusion of these gases.